Hello everyone, I'm on my holidays as you've just seen. We've landed here at Limoges in the southwest of France. It's pretty damn hot here. It's meant to be 38 degrees Celsius tomorrow, Sunday afternoon, well evening now, I think it's like 6 o'clock and it's still baking hot here. We're just outside the airport and I'm with my mum and my aunt and they don't want to be on camera. My aunt's popped to the loo and my mum's sorting out the car rental. We're going to be staying at a little cottage that we're renting out, or someone's renting out, called the Hansel and Gretel Cottage. I think it's near Limoges, and yeah, should be good so far. Flight was only about an hour and 20 minutes. They surfside, I was quite pleased about that. So next sort of couple of videos I'm going to be doing some history stuff, some wild camping. I've got some camping stuff with me. Should be good. Welcome back everyone. Apologies you're not going to be able to see too much. It's about 10 o'clock at night now here in the southwest of France. We're outside the cottage that we're going to be staying in. It's named the Hansel and Gretel Cottage and there's a lovely little village, probably an hour's walk or so, and there's a campsite there which the guy that lets out the cottage, Kevin, he's a really nice guy actually. He's originally from Colchester, he now lives over here. He showed us the campsite and basically you can just turn up, pitch up. It's got quite a wild kind of atmosphere to it, however it has got showers and toilets and stuff. You can pitch up and then when you finish you just go over to the town hall and you can just pay your money there, which is pretty good. There's also a lake nearby. Yeah, there's also a lake on the drive here. That's not too far to walk. And you can sort of wild camp there as well, apparently. That looks really nice. So yeah, I'm going to explore that tomorrow. We're here for a week, but I think for now I think we just need a drink, sit down and a good night's sleep. Should be a good little holiday this. Anyways, probably speak to you tomorrow.